This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to dechlorine water for fish tank. Start by testing tap water for chlorine or chloramine and measure levels with a kit, then choose the correct neutralizer. Use a conditioner labeled for chloramine if needed, or run water through activated carbon for several hours while aerating it to speed gas removal, and never add untreated tap water directly to your aquarium. Chemical neutralizers are fast and convenient for removing chlorine and chloramine before adding water to your tank, and they work within minutes when dosed properly. Measure the exact amount of water you will treat, then add the product according to the label and mix thoroughly. Wait a couple of minutes and recheck with a test kit if you want extra assurance before introducing fish or plants back into the aquarium. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof meal prep containers to keep fish food, tools, and wet items tidy, which prevents spills and saves cleanup time with a smile. They're sturdy, easy to stack, and perfect for organizing your tank supplies. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Using activated carbon in your filter is a continuous and chemical-free way to remove chlorine from tank water, and it also improves overall water clarity. For chloramine, carbon is much more reliable than aeration alone, so replace carbon cartridges regularly to maintain effectiveness. If you prefer non-chemical options, aerate freshly drawn water for several hours while filtering through carbon to speed removal before adding it to the aquarium.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.